Samsung's choice to reduce the zoom of the periscope lens on the Galaxy S24 Ultra from 10x to 5x may sound odd. However, this shift is being driven by the difficulty of maintaining picture stability at high zoom settings. The camera specs of the Samsung S24 Ultra have just been released. The specifications, according to a tipster called rClouds, include an overview of the device's telephoto and periscope zoom cameras. According to the report, the phone will have a quad camera configuration, with the main sensor being a 200-megapixel Samsung ISO Cell HP2SX sensor measuring 1/3 inch in size. Furthermore, the back camera unit is said to have a wide shooter with a 12-megapixel Sony IMX564 sensor as well as two telephoto shooters, one with a 10-megapixel resolution and 3x optical zoom capabilities and another with a 48-megapixel resolution and support for 5x optical zoom. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a telephoto camera with a resolution of 10 megapixels and support for up to 10x zoom. A leak suggests that Samsung intends to reduce the zoom capabilities of the S24 Ultra from 10 to 5x. This would put it closer to the zoom capabilities of Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Despite this decrease, the future phone is rumored to provide a 100x function comparable to the present model. By deleting the 10x zoom, Samsung hopes to give consumers with stability. Although the periscope lens capabilities have been reduced, Samsung intends to compensate with sophisticated software solutions that will still enable for quality zoom and photographs at 100x zoom. It's worth mentioning that obtaining such high digital zoom levels despite camera setup changes is not exclusive to Samsung's 4x zoom. Thanks to powerful software algorithms, the Galaxy S20 Ultra was able to snap photographs at 100x digital zoom. Samsung's choice to reduce zoom on the S24 Ultra is designed to improve user stability while still maintaining a degree of zoom capabilities via software upgrades. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.